The following video will outline the steps required to assemble your new Hills portable clothesline. Your Hills carton will contain the following items: place the spreader and hinge assembly on a flat surface. Pulling the latch out firmly, rotate the hinge to the open position. Repeat on the other end. Place the M6 nut with the nylon ring facing outwards into the moulded leg section of the hinge moulding. Fit the leg tube with the mount hole on the opposite side of the M6 nut. Repeat with the other leg tube and ensure the threaded inserts for securing the leg brace are facing each other. Insert and fasten securely the M6x30 button head screws using the hex key. Repeat for all legs. Using the M6x16 countersunk screws, attach the leg brace to the 4 threaded inserts using the hex key. Repeat for the other side. Place the arm, curve up, into the recess in each end of the hinge assemblies, ensuring the screw holes and insert fasteners align. Insert the M6x12 low profile screws and fasten securely using the hex key. Repeat for the other side. Begin by threading a line tie-off cap into one end of the PVC line. Beginning in the innermost line tensioner, insert the line into the slot of the inner tie-off saddle and through the side. Pull roughly 15 cm of excess line for tensioning. Loop the line around the groove in the line tie-off saddle and pull tight to prevent the line from slipping. Trim off excess PVC line and fit the line tie-off caps over the line tie-off saddles. Feed the line through the line sleeves. It's useful to kink or twist the line when feeding it through the line sleeves to make assembly easier. Continue feeding the line through the line sleeves, ensuring all lines are parallel. When you reach the tie-off end of the line, thread another line tie-off cap. Insert the line into the slot of the last line tie-off saddle. Ensure that all other lines are tight, then pull the line through the line sleeve and repeat the tie-off procedure. Trim off excess PVC line and make sure the line is firmly pulled back into the line tie-off saddle. Fit the line tie-off caps over the line tie-off saddles. Repeat steps for the other side. To fold away your portable clothesline, pull out the latch firmly with one hand while supporting and rotating the legs up and around with your other hand. Keep rotating until the latch clicks back into place, locking the legs closed. Place the folded end on the ground, release the latch at the other end and fold the legs while bringing the product to a vertical position. To hang your portable clothesline for convenient storage, a hanging bracket has been included. The hanging bracket can be fastened to almost any wall or vertical surface using appropriate fasteners. The hanging bracket and door adapter can be used over most doors. Simply place the hanging bracket and door adapter over your door. Place the portable clothesline on the hanging bracket, ensuring it is centered on the door and does not make contact with door handles, surrounding furniture and walls when the door is opened and closed. Secure the door adapter to the top of the door with the small screw provided.